Welcome everyone to this special MCQ series on UGC NET English Literature. This series is designed strictly according to the official UGC syllabus, with high-level, PYQ-based, and concept-trap questions that help you think like a NET examiner. Here, we don't just revise literature, we decode it, challenge it, and master it. First question. Which of the following works was published first? A. The Fairy Queen, B. Paradise Lost, C. The Canterbury Tales, D. Dr. Faustus. The right answer is option C. The Canterbury Tales. It was written in the late 14th century. Chaucer's work predates Renaissance epics. It marks the foundation of English narrative poetry. Next question. The concept of catharsis originates from which classical text? A. Poetics, B. Republic, C. Ars Poetica, D. Metaphysics. The right answer is option A. Poetics. Aristotle defines tragedy through pity and fear. Catharsis purifies emotional excess. It shaped classical and Renaissance drama. Next question. Which novel by Joseph Conrad critiques European imperialism in Africa? A. Lord Jim, B. Nostromo, C. The Secret Agent, D. Heart of Darkness. The right answer is option D. Heart of Darkness. It exposes colonial exploitation. Kurt symbolizes moral degeneration. Modernist narrative ambiguity dominates. Next question. The pathetic fallacy was coined by which Victorian critic? A. Matthew Arnold, B. John Ruskin, C. Walter Pater, D. Thomas Carlyle. The right answer is option B. John Ruskin. He used the term in Modern Painters. It refers to attributing human emotions to nature. He considered it a sign of emotional distortion. Next question. Which play by William Shakespeare is categorized as a problem play? A. Hamlet, B. Macbeth, C. Measure for Measure, D. Othello. The right answer is option C. Measure for Measure. It blends comedy with moral ambiguity. Justice and mercy conflict throughout. Its tone resists simple classification. Next question. The phrase, make it new, is associated with which modernist poet? A. W. B. Yeats, B. Ezra Pound, C. T. S. Eliot, D. Wallace Stevens. The right answer is option B. Ezra Pound. It became a slogan of modernism. Pound advocated innovation in poetic form. Imagism emerged from this impulse. Next question. Which novel inaugurates the tradition of the English realistic novel in the 18th century? A. Pamela, B. Robinson Crusoe, C. Tom Jones, D. Tristram Shandy. The right answer is option B. Robinson Crusoe. Written by Daniel Defoe in 1719. It presents individualism and realism. Often considered the first English novel. Next question. A Room of One's Own argues primarily for what? A. Political revolution, B. Economic independence for women writers, C. Religious reform, D. Colonial expansion. The right answer is option B. Economic independence for women writers. Virginia Woolf stresses material conditions. She links creativity to financial freedom. The essay is foundational feminist criticism. Next question. The term, objective correlative, appears in which essay? A. The Sacred Wood, B. Culture and Anarchy, C. Practical criticism, D. 7 Types of Ambiguity. The right answer is option A. The Sacred Wood. T. S. Eliot discusses it in the Hamlet essay. Emotion must be expressed through concrete situations. It influenced new critical theory. Next question. Which Restoration comedy was written by William Congreve? A. The School for Scandal, B. The Way of the World, C. She Stoops to Conquer, D. Volpone. The right answer is option B. The Way of the World. It satirizes aristocratic manners. Wit and repartee dominate dialogue. It represents mature Restoration comedy. Next question. Which poet wrote, In Memoriam A.H.H., A. Robert Browning, B. Alfred Lord Tennyson, C. Matthew Arnold, D. Gerard Manley Hopkins? The right answer is option B. Alfred Lord Tennyson. It mourns Arthur Hallam. The poem explores faith and doubt. It reflects Victorian crisis of belief. Next question. The Bildungsroman typically traces what? A. Political satire, B. Religious allegory, C. Growth of an individual protagonist, D. Mythical quest. The right answer is option C. Growth of an individual protagonist. It focuses on moral and psychological development. Common in 19th century novels. Example includes Jane Eyre and David Copperfield. Next question. Which post-colonial theorist wrote, Can the Subaltern Speak? A. Homi K. Bhabha, B. Gayatri Chakravarti Spivak, C. Edward Said, D. Frantz Fanon. The right answer is option B. Gayatri Chakravarti Spivak. The essay critiques representation of marginalized voices. She questions Western intellectual frameworks. It is central to subaltern studies. Next question. Which work by Mary Shelley is subtitled, The Modern Prometheus? A. The Last Man, B. Walpurga, C. Frankenstein, D. Matilda. The right answer is option C. Frankenstein. It was published in 1818. The subtitle links Victor to the mythic overreacher Prometheus. The novel explores creation, responsibility, and isolation. Next question. The phrase, dissociation of sensibility, was coined by which critic? A. F. R. Lewis, B. Matthew Arnold, C. T. S. Eliot, D. I. A. Richards. The right answer is option C. T. S. Eliot. He introduced it in his essay on the metaphysical poets. It refers to a split between thought and feeling after the 17th century. Eliot praised Donne for unified sensibility. Next question. The term, heteroglossia, was proposed by which theorist? A. Roland Barthes, B. Jacques Derrida, C. Mikhail Bakhtin, D. Louis Althusser. The right answer is option C. Mikhail Bakhtin. It refers to multiple voices within a text. The concept is central to novel theory. Language reflects social diversity. Next question. Which play by Arthur Miller is based on the Salem witch trials? A. Death of a Salesman, B. All My Sons, C. The Crucible, D. A View from the Bridge. The right answer is option C. The Crucible. It was written in 1953. The play allegorizes McCarthyism, hysteria and moral panic dominate. Next question. The term, anxiety of influence, was coined by which critic? A. Northrop Frye, B. Harold Bloom, C. Stanley Fish, D. Paul Thurman. The right answer is option B. Harold Bloom. It describes poets struggling against predecessors. Influence becomes psychological conflict. It reshaped Romantic criticism,